Well, here's an old friend, Christine. I knew Barkley was going to be here, so we'll do a little video. This car is amazing. And he's building another one that he's going to sell this fall. And I don't know if this is it or if this is the one I shot. He's sitting over off the side, so I'll have to talk to him. But, oh, it looks like he got first place. Such an amazing car. Look at the bright work here, and shame someone scratched in his hood. So he had these custom made. So it's a fuel injected motor, and then he had those custom made for his car. But I mean, he's got it down. If you watch the movie, it's Quaker State. Hey, Barkley.
How are you?
Wonderful, and you?
Look good.
Now, is this the same one we shot at your house?
Sure. I just put all the stand away and everything.
I saw the stand in your trunk.
Yeah.
I got here late.